Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to manage your orders via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, log into CMS by using your Botier email account. Then, in the home page, click Orders, try New UI, tab at the top of CMS. Firstly, we will be guiding you on how to filter your orders. Here, you can filter orders according to its time range, payment method, delivery method, or even choose a single product. Next, here are the steps to review your incoming orders. Firstly, select Pending for Payment Confirmation tab. Here, you may review the status of the order. If it's an order with bank transfer as a payment method, you would have to approve the transaction before confirming the order. Check your customer's uploaded bank transfer receipt here. If the details are correct, you may approve the order by tapping on Confirm Payment to proceed with the order. Now, we will guide you on how to decline an order. While reviewing an order, you may tap Decline to decline the order. A pop-up will then appear for you to fill in the reason for rejection and also to confirm the declination. Your customers will be automatically notified via email if you decline their orders. You can check your declined orders at the Invalid Order section. Again, note that only orders made via bank transfer require you to confirm payment. Next, add tracking number to your order. Select To Be Delivered tab. You may key in the tracking number here once you've shipped out the order. Once the order is complete, select Action and click Confirm Delivery. Your order status will then change to Delivered. Your customer will also be notified via email about the order status. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.